Yeah man, glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life, bunny down to the ground. So you know, say for the first time you watch a channel here, do the right thing man. Subscribe. We are fight a war. Yeah man, we there. Live and living colors, you see? Yeah man, so watch a movie, tell me what you think about it. You know what I mean? This is how when money come, some of the time mash up life. We are try to make it out, but not make the money change we. Let's go.
Can we get back to Jamaica? The real Jamaica rock. Jamming and jamming and jamming. Bring back the Jamaica love. Bring back the Jamaica that we love. Bring back the Jamaica that we love. Too much people swimming in blood. Bring back the Jamaica that we love. Bring back the Jamaica that we love. Too much youth swimming in blood. Too much youth swimming in blood. Either you be a Christian, either you be a thug, either you be a man that are rocking in the club. Just do what you do and do right. Do what you do and do right. And I tell you from the first night, bring back the Jamaica that we love. Bring back the Jamaica that we love. Bring back the Jamaica that we love. Too much youth just so swimming in blood. Bring back the Jamaica that we love. Bring back the Jamaica that we love. Too much youth swimming in blood. Too much youth swimming in blood. You ever see the girl them on the TikTok? Girl them click clap. Beautiful ladies, want beautiful money to beautiful babies. The pressure's too high for us. It's too hard for us. We don't know who to trust. But please just bring back the Jamaica that we love. Bring back the Jamaica that we love. Bring back the Jamaica that we love. Too much youth swimming in blood. Bring back the Jamaica that we love. Bring back the Jamaica that we love. Too much youth swimming in blood. Too much youth swimming in blood. Fast car, big bike, big house, acres of land. Our name is way up while you does it in the sand. Lord, I don't understand why so much separation. Bring back the Jamaica that we love.
Down to the car, you want know. How that? What one? Me know your way say. Where say?
Mommy said me say, wash your order.
What? Oh. Oh. Ah boy. Your mother down here there. When you go back down there, tell her say, me done with the farming. She have to go try get the things them elsewhere. No cabbage not there. Somebody teeth the whole of the cabbage there. No callaloo no there, cut the whole of the callaloo. No sweet pepper not there. All the yam meal when me have, then dig up the whole of the bank them and take them out. Nothing on the pan the farm. Somebody raid the farm last night. Right? So when I go down there, go tell her that. Tell her she have to go somewhere go buy. Go down in the town, just buy the things them. Tell her me not even check my back. Cause me I put it on. Me I put on the farm. You alright? Tell her say, me a what? me a put down the farming. Everything thief gone. Alright? So, no move. So one plug now. Take this to yourself. Here, when you go down your yard, you wash it off and you name it. What me say? You give mama piece of it too. Tell her say, we can do better. Here? Later. Hurry up before it rain. Go on now before it rain. Remember to wash it off. Woman, me say, I'm sorry.
Yo. Brother, I can't believe I say you move you out. Me give you a link, bad man. I mash up a link you out and rob the woman and gone, mate. You ask for yourself so you out. Alright. Give me piece of money then. No man. Yo, hear me no. Don't make me see you in the street still in the dark. Cause here a fool in this that you do, you know. Cause me give you a link. I mash up my link, bad man. Me can't go back on the link here. I get whole heap of money. I ain't give me none of the money. So you know what I go on now. No make me see you done.
Yes, I.
Hi! Well, come in. Yes, open the door for. You alright? Oh God.
Yeah, man.
You should have phoned me when I come meet you.
Everything good, man.
Hey!
Nothing now to go on up in the country and not to get to carry to coconut or two. So nothing going on there. I plan to feel what they and when I then I bed, me and my sister, somebody going to read out everything out of the farm. Cause coconut jelly depend on the price, you know. The 7 coconut tree, then trip it down.
Jesus, I'm wicked.
Not even one of the oaks of the coconut when I see a brown. From dry one to yellow one to green one to orange one, all of them gone.
Bad mind.
Then go in the field to me have some banana. We shoot and I get bigger and fatter and I give them about 2 more days to split them. Because I know somebody go come forward. So it kind of is a way. So you go door.
Don't worry, brother. Don't worry. One door closed, a million open.
And that me I say.
Yeah, man. Come make yourself at home.
Why the journey is a good thing we don't buy a car yet because the road on the scheme are bad.
Yeah, man. It's bad for true.
Besides, tapping a patrol me a while ago nearly broke our phone. Yeah, man.
It's bad for true. It's bad
Yeah, man,
for
it's
true.
bad.
And
The taxi run on ya?
Yeah, man. Taxi run, but you have to time it right. Or if you go on the main road, you get it faster.
But me I tell you, them are, I don't know, them drive them car when I saw no car, me I say. The patrol, them are like 6 feet down.
Yeah, man, and some are 8 and 10.
Why rough?
Truly rough.
Yeah, man. So, me and my sister get up this morning and sight up certain things and she realized what go on and I say she a ball. And then, you know, I mind the Bob Marley song coming in. No woman, no cry. And I start sing that song there for her, you know. And I start singing and she put a little smile on her face. And I say, listen, man, don't worry about that, man. When certain things go on in a room, it's time for I to exodus and move out. We don't have much down upper country. So we say, down in this place,
Yeah, man.
would that be a better start off? Because she can do her little thing, you know. Yeah, man, she can do her little thing, so I would be the one who push out first. Go pave the way and when the thing balance up, she can find something the same way.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, so where I have to come check up on now. I know say you live alone. And last time we come and sleep off 1-2 days, they say I could spend as long as I want. But I have to go back to go to the ground. So now the ground, them tear down the ground. So it kind of discouraged I and I. So when I left the ground with a virgin up there. But I wonder if I the same virgin a thief or I think.
But so if you can trust him.
No, but left him, I not think about up there again, you know. But I say, but I left him making go and do it. Yeah, and then me and the sister come down and jam off in one room them for a while till we can work.
Yeah, man.
And add up some things together.
Yeah, man.
We can own a local place down here for ourselves somewhere, you know what I mean? So me have to check her first.
Yeah, man.
I couldn't tell her pack up her things and come. I say I have to link my sister first. Tell her. But I tell her if everything good, man, my sister and I, we are like one.
One.
Yeah, so
one blood.
yeah, so me know that she don't want me up as I suffer when me can go down that side and make a life. Yeah, and she did it up there. It's a good news to check you and you say.
Yeah,
it's
man.
okay.
Yeah, man. The room
So-
there.
Yeah, man. So if I say, okay, now, I'm not too tired, you know. But I'll circle back up there and pack up the things there.
Line up yourself.
That means if we can make it back down from country this evening, we make it down back in the day, yeah. And then by tomorrow now, I'm gonna touch the road and try find a work to go and do. Cause I don't want the jacket and tie thing. Me not the hustling, yes. Cause I know some money I run somewhere. So anyway the money I run, I don't want to lay away it. And just get it from there, so. You know, yeah, so that's what I do.
Yeah, man. You're welcome. You're welcome.
So you're good to
brother.
the friendly?
Yeah, man. Give thanks. Give thanks. I mean, just there at this thing, how me lonely, you know. Hey, God answer prayers.
Yeah, man. So we go there in that place, man.
Yeah, man, and it will suit everybody. Cause you will have the little piece of company and thing.
Yeah.
Work there, yeah, man.
And
Work
again, I
there.
can reason too. Because you're wise and you teach her something that she can teach you. You know, woman, you can
Each one teach one.
Teach one.
Yeah, man, you make me day.
Yeah,
You
man.
make me day.
So I go back up a country and forward. So me and I will come back down.
Alright.
We not carry all things come because it's one of the things though, when we are leave a place, we don't have to carry too much things. Because still gotta be my home still, you know.
Of course, you can't dash it away.
Yeah, so we gotta just come down, come try so we are do, we can establish our next place.
Change is as good as
Like
ours.
she text me, feel the phone vibrate.
We love that.
And she text me, you know, what she text you now. Oh.
Must say I give you our love.
Yes, and that she said, hurry up and come home.
Yeah, man.
I go send her a voice note. Yeah, we reach you know with them at the place here. I will have one vibes and things. My sister said we can come, so we'll have bed and do your local thing and fresh up yourself. I go come back up and now. Pack up your favorite dress, my favorite things we want to wear. We not pack too heavy. We are move light. Because we want to reach down and sleep down so tonight. Alright? Alright, babe. We good, man. Enough love to you too. Love you too, man. Yeah, man, I see that. Yeah, she's a loving empress, you know? I go link her and come back right now.
Yeah, man, do your thing and make sure you come back quick. Now, that's all up the room for you.
Alright.
Alright, you make me day.
Alright. Yeah, man, sweet place also.
Tired, you know?
Yeah.
Me help you carry this. Take care of
No, man, don't worry yourself, man.
Alright.
Me have to try get myself in order.
Me tired. I want a nice space where I go.
Yeah, man, my sister.
Me help you. All over the time.
You have your back, man. Man have to carry, man have to hold up there and stretch.
Alright.
Origin, you know, it's a farm work, man.
Your sister
I
one
hold
nice
up.
girl.
Yeah, man.
A big woman or
A big woman, but
Okay.
watch ya.
A shell one live?
See all them saying here?
Oh.
This is from a long time we don't see them up here because they kill them out of country.
Oh.
This is good for you when you have coal.
You know, the leaf.
The
oil
leaf.
and thing.
And you, what you see, what
That's in a salad.
all in a rice.
You know this.
Yeah, man, all in a rice. But you know, their country again, then that's what all of the original things them from country. I tell you, Mr. Farming though. Come on, what if I try to
You look like rain and go farm.
I know for a man, I see house there. See how funny house there.
The money where did have done for months for water for Jimmy.
You want know, what up there? What up at the yard? You know what? You see, we have to ration the money. Because if we don't ration the money, we're not going to survive it down here. And our country we there, you know, we can jump the fence and go to quick one jelly, and we can this and that for our neighbor. Because when we there drum, we can cook jelly for them. So we can vice versa. Down here, so I don't know nobody. I know my sister. So when we go up there now, she will get some water, some drinks. And she always a cook. She always a cook. I'm worse. I wonder if I the same boy I left the ground with. You ever think about it? You ever consider it?
But why did your friend never want to say nothing to you about it? I'm not going to say your friend owed me today.
No, because I tell him saying all the things them ready, you know. I cannot even know. I don't know who brave so.
But me always warn about him and you say you know him long time.
Yeah, I know him long time, but we not see him, you know. We not see him though. I never see him. But it's anytime we are the back of ground again, we go get some of the new camera then. We look like a flower's leaf.
Don't want this a place where your camera come.
Sister!
If you say I can get a job down here, because I can't leave everything for
No worry yourself. You'll get job done here.
So we are going to stay with sister yard forever?
No, we go to stand there till we earn the money. And the money hide.
Yes, me can get a job and you can look at a job
Yes,
and
but you wanna know?
somewhere till
Yeah.
you can build somewhere.
But I don't want you up on the road until me know the
all the
road.
well, that's it. They tell me
Come
so me
true.
no fit look no work and me no fit
Wait,
up and
watch you know. Me no want you up on the road. It's tradition for the man hunt and you stay home. So you not breathe yet or nothing, but still, turn home. You have 10 people to take care of, turn home.
over here, sir?
No. What's the patrol?
They have dog over here?
No dog on there. You just come here a while ago. Come on.
Are you first? No, you're a sister.
Sister! Come!
Okay, man, I'm so doing. I'm so glad to get the brother back. I can't wait. I suppose the sun come.
Come on, man.
Me and phone.
She go down that room. She go down that room.
Me and phone.
Put on things on the sofa. I'll talk to her. She go down that room also.
Yeah.
Sister!
Hey, you come.
Yeah, man. What a
Yes,
go
I
on.
sort out the room for
Yeah,
now.
man, you look good, man. You look good. Yeah.
You make me day.
Yeah, man. So, I don't come in. She come over there. She over there.
Oh, sure.
Yeah, man. She asks a lot about you. Because I found when we do the family meeting, we part, you know, but you know how life stays so much time. Up on the farm, a pro farm, you can't get no time to leave the farm. You understand? And the only time where I dey warm, when I keep she warm. Another time the thief them blow
Yes.
through the farm like a storm and
Yeah,
there's
man.
nothing on there for I and I now. You know, but we're there now though.
We have
So
life.
we have life and she there too. So You can.
Alright, you can go.
You can
Just
fuck.
say-
Yeah, because you wanna know. Me and you know each other. But she don't know you.
Mhm.
So you're not a reason, man.
Yeah,
And
man.
you tell me if I want to buy the ring for her or anything. You tell me.
Alright.
Yeah. Do that.
Alright. Finish sort yourself
Yeah, man, me have to go and look around
Me
and
and-
see how I'm going to do in the meantime. Because
Mhm.
I'm putting some work, get some furniture in and thing.
Mhm.
Yeah, man.
So as long
It's
as
a good
you
start,
want.
man.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
And then I go out to meet my sister.
Go talk to
Wow.
sister-in-law. Yeah, man. I go and
Sis.
look out. It's a good view, man.
Sis, hello, welcome. You alright? I'm Shaz. I am sister. Oh God.
I'm Cindy.
Cindy,
Yeah.
pleased to meet you. We can here beside you. Oh God, you must tired, not true?
Mm-hmm. We couldn't get no taxi to come over here, so. You see, from we leave out of that vehicle there, and then so we have to go one next place to take one taxi.
Mm-hmm.
We take one another taxi, 2 taxi that you know, 2 long journey. Then we take one taxi come over here, so we couldn't get none. So,
Yeah, man.
you just send me for walk and then we start walking. And tell you know long we could have reached if we didn't get dressed around here so hot we get dressed.
Especially past a certain time in the afternoon, the night that.
When you come in my room, can you take out some water out of your fridge and drink it here because I'm tired.
Yes, man.
Alright.
Cindy, make yourself at home. And you say you're gonna stay now, you know, so this is your home too.
Okay.
Feel comfortable, man.
Say not nothing to eat, and they feel hungry. Nothing. So they say, you know, you don't give me nothing to eat from man. And your brother, I'm not gonna lie, I love him, but he have money and they tell him about he want the money if he go do this and he want if he go do that and he can't done the money. Right now, me hungry like a dog, you know.
Oh, God, send them even make you bring up the
He always
gas.
give me, don't get me wrong, he always buy things here in the house to make me. But two we are travel from man and he might talk about he want or if he reach up and sister and he don't want rain catch him. He don't stop no way and buy nonsense to waste it till me come down here. That's why I did that did for you hungry so me drink it for your water out of your fridge.
Yeah, man, no problem. Me go put on some You eat pasta?
What kind of pasta? Remember say the man a rasta, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And he don't eat anything and me can't cook anything and me yard, you know, because he dash with the pot, you know how much pot in dash with? Me say me no know who tell me to go buy pork the other day.
No.
Me never cook it for him, me never cook it for him, me cook fish for him. And so him yam and banana for him. But he must say he not trust them something because people where some people will cook a road and sell, they use the same spoon and the
same
pork
pot.
and the same spoon in the fish and he say so him no want nothing go down in his stomach to go affect him because he's allergic to certain things. That's why he dash with the pot and he just give him money to buy the pot in a girl. Nobody tell him something to say no pot. Me say your brother I want to love tell him one and like everything but he dash with the pot at $8,500 and give me to buy the pot and he dash with the pot. Same we give me money to buy the French pot. Why make your pork and yard? But me never know say go vex and him me cook for
Aye, no man, certain things, see why when it come to him, for belly and him food, in the ram.
I know say as I say for a long time, you know, eat certain things, you know, drink certain. I know say eat chicken, but the only part he eat pan, he gets out. The breast. I say this what the best part and how every minute him a tell me mom fi cook breast and he trashy.
In my breast man, you know?
No, he like breast because he said this up more healthier, you know, have no oil in there. He nah do this and he nah do that. And I told me one heap of foolishness make me go have this and that and sit. And we now have no money for that doctor. I don't like anything there.
That's why you stay, man. When it comes to fire
Oh,
food.
let me tell you something. Come here, you know, girl. And you look like a one nice girl. And I'm not telling you that because your brother not give no one down here, no. Because your brother knows me psycho, you know, me not no sense, you know.
Me not vibe with them foolishness. Certain things can go on in my yard, and he would never come with it to my yard. You see, like how he bring you Cindy here and said, "This is my
But I'm man and
empress."
he look good woman ever they look him.
Yes.
I don't know if when he see me go like he don't want to talk to them. But the animal sister brother, I don't know how we go give him girl down here and me animal come from to farm. Now make no girl take him from
Oh,
down
yeah,
here.
Cindy,
Oh.
stick up here. Let me tell you who me be. Me can't talk for him out the street. I mean, talk and take up for him. But you see, in this here place, my home, now our home, none of them foolishness can go on yourself.
Okay. Okay, so where is your name again?
I'm Shaz.
Oh, yeah.
Charmaine.
Charmaine.
But everybody
But we
says
can call you
Shaz.
Shaz.
Yeah, man.
Okay,
Shaz.
Shaz, you have no man down here? Are you alone?
I have a man, but me keep my man outside.
Oh, you not come here or something?
He come here and chill and
He
thing.
jealous over my man, but me don't want your man on the man go road and him give me man no woman. And that me I tell you, that's why me I ask you. Oh,
Well,
I'm
like
actually bad, you know. Me no joking. Me no want no girl rank with my man. You know how far me and him a come from? From him I want to go dirty foot slippers. I want to go tear up body pants. And when me I want to will tear up frock. Or tear up dress, whatever you want call him, see me. And the two of we end up falling up this one, the two of we are work and I struggle on site and all about. You can't come here so with him. Come take with my good man. You mad?
him not in trying to bring anybody around family, you know. So from him bringing you, yes sir, to my home,
And guess
our
what?
home.
You know like he that man, you know. You know like he that man, he like girl with brain. So I know he stay. So don't me the ask one question. I will if a good girl with brain down here.
Jamaica full of women with brain.
Do me the big.
We
If you
special.
go away, and you see my look on a girl tell him say no, you're not a couple with them sitting there. Can you tell sitting there? You hear?
Well, me I work you know now. Me is for the right, you can't do the wrong. But you see, me not going in a people relationship.
And you're
Because me know, but at the end of the day, the two are not share pillow. So me not carry and me not go bring come. But me not put up with no foolishness, and no foolishness can happen in my yard. What happened out the street, me can't take up for.
Okay. So you're not bad to cook and do no pasta thing kind don't eat something that you know like in grease. You tell your brother but you don't know like me, yeah, man. You know like too much grease and want it for seasoning and you know like certain meat. So the only thing you need is fish and the chicken breast. You understand? Yeah, there's something there. You know really love certain type of things. So that's why you go to the supermarket and you give me money. If me not feel like to go and you they go, me will tell you one want to buy for him. Me and you can eat anything, because me don't have anything. As long as you can eat. Yeah, but him no eat anything.
Me no
So anyway, you can cook something for me and you and do some vegetables for him. Do some fish. You have fish?
Me no office, me no
Alright,
office.
so sort out the film then. You can put on this in our room.
Yeah man, go put it on in another room man.
Come. Hello? Princess, girl, me reach. Yeah, we reach. Alright, we safe, man. He must sleep in there, me not wake him up. What you mean? I want a nice place. Me think that I did some idiot boardhouse place where I come in with babe can take it and took me through it. So only go old. But a good place in sister have man, he must sleep. He not hear me tapping hands. I don't know nothing bad me attack. If he hear that I know nothing girl, what you that say? What you say? Me not hide nothing from my man. I don't know nothing bad me I do. Because I tell her say place nice, he sister house nice. Yeah, me like it, girl, me like it. Me like it. Don't tell me say me nothing, but nobody can call me and tell me say you're not her. Me not call her and tell her that his sister look like a one good woman. Right now she don't cook for me. Me tell her say me sleep already. You want me chat loud to wake him up in tired? Girl, that they farm there, that they ground they can't stay. They teeth out too much sister now kind of sit up there. So me can't bother without this. So me glad say my man me have one good sister down here so he can carry me come down here. So can me tell that then the people up there so me miss you girl. Tap ask me say me not miss you. Me just come down here so yes me miss you. You feel better now? Me tell them the people there, the people them up there so. You see, me not understand some people. They come like when you come from some place and some people know you from a little, they come up then they watch you with their mind. Their heart and their mind just full of corruption against you. Like you can't strive in that area. You know, long my man should have moved from that area. Me no business. Me having time, I signal happen make we have to move. Me no business, me have to end up coming here, so me alright, me don't care. Me not even want to come back up there. So me wish he not tell me about we have to go back up on next day. Me not go. He go have to go and come back down here. Cause me not come back out, so too much bad mind corruption people up there. Then watch you born, then watch you grow, and then put them dirty thinking, bad minded, whole jealousy self pan you if you not come to nothing. Anytime you're born in some area, you need to move out and hit to see progress. They say come like you're stagnant at one place and can't move, girl. Yes, I want big place. You can come down and she not say nothing, I want a nice one. I can talk to her. I want a good sister-in-law. I want you. One time, I talk to her because I mean to say I want a good girl. I know so my man have them the nice sister there. He always tell me about her, but I first me meet her. Girl, I got good food, she gonna cook for me. Go on, come on for her food. Me gonna just lie down a little bit and say we can get her nap till she done cook. Yeah, girl. Yeah. Yo, from me come down here so me smell so good weed. I go buy some and sell, because I don't sit down and sell I don't eat that, because I know when they chat about me not to go out on the road and one if I sit me. I sit them can't sit down and left him one alone and work. No. Me have to sorry, me have to help my man work so we can prosper together. I mean, I make you work out my man. Then when he come in again, you have another work to do in a night. No, so I we work together to the end. We are going to jam so until we can build one house ourselves. So later. Yeah, alright. Yeah, man. Yeah, girl, later, man. Just love when they chat, so just later. Alright. I get a little easy though. Both if me last. Mother.
Go fireball, what go on?
You them see they show me man so.
I want piece of link me want to tell you about, man. Tell you about it, say you can do. Here what I want to do. I want a rich friend, one woman. Yeah. You see me? I want my bridging news today with it in the start. But here a man for yeah, the man there with the woman star. You see me I talk about the woman and food, she depend on food, you know. And the man there with the woman and rob all the woman star, there with all the woman cousin my youth. End up now, he must run off, he not there again. You see me? So me I say, you me put on the link now, me can just go in on the link and know say yo, cause food there, you know, me tell you say we can yam food in a man. You see me? Yeah. Yeah man, we can more link up on more give her a link star. You see?
So can I go link her then no man?
No, me can't carry go link her. You know? I show you which part she ends out. If she be a sort, yeah. I just go there man. Talk to her, man. If nothing, make she know say you know me too. You see me? But and I like me saying you got to do, you know. Yeah. You see?
Yeah, man. We do that, man. We do that.
I do that.
Because we did down on the flat here, I tell you.
You see big place right at Tarrington Bridge there, so big supermarket. Yeah. She own this, so like evening time. You find her this. So you just got to go hang out, man.
Yeah, but she must have an next spot where she go, man. So you see next spot, just give me some more information, man. And tell me 2 more spots.
You know, see around a curve, right a curve this, and she always do this at morning time.
So what you going to do though? Because you know, say, maybe I have my woman still, you know. One up a yard, I go all one vibe, and do my sister. So
morning time or evening time?
No, but you may say, man. If I say morning today, we can't play the role. You understand? Because at the end of the day,
do you have to do it thing?
Yeah, man.
Want a piece of food out of it, you know?
Yeah, man. No worry yourself, man. Me go deal with it. So, just so like you link me. Send me our picture on the WhatsApp. Just send me our picture on the WhatsApp. And that's our word. We don't have to talk about it. Alright. Send me our picture on the WhatsApp, and then me know how she look, and then me find a way of coming out and go like whatever they do. Me have to come in a different style. Yeah, man.
Listen, I WhatsApp your pictures.
Yeah, man. So for food I eat, you have to eat food too. Because if I make a link, you have to mean?
Go around the thing.
Nah, man. Things go on, man. Right. But it's a money go make.
Let's see how it.
What's up for you doing?
I'm good.
A long time I see you on the place, but never had time to
Me not hear what you saying?
This is a long time I see you. You get up on your phone?
Not really.
But yeah, hear me now though.
Yeah.
But me say a long time I see you. Go on the ear and admire you. Like get to know you though, you know? Yeah man, I think I have a good idea. But tell me.
Okay.
How it can work out. You come from up here. I don't know if the area comes from.
Yeah, I'm from here.
We don't come from us alone. We come from country. We come from a place where we try make some money and live a life. You know what I mean? That's the difference. But we see you from one day and just straight to that day. You know? So, to them, let's brave up on a night like tonight.
Okay.
But we see you come here regular, you know? Regular spots. So, why not come over and talk to you tonight?
Yeah, this is really my restaurant.
Yeah, yeah. Beautiful. You're beautiful, girl. You're beautiful. I can't even get my breath.
When I'm hungry, all I can hear is Infinity Dream Entertainment Complex. That's it. Yeah. And I mean, this is my chill out spot, especially on a Saturday night like this. This is my chill out spot. Yeah.
It's a good vibes though, you know what I mean? So when we want to see you again, yes, we never come? Or we can exchange number and music. There are all things I want to tell you, you know.
Like what?
What things, man? Good story, old story, new story. Just get familiar with you, you know? And see what make you smile, what make you laugh. You know what I mean? What make you happy. Because I believe in happiness, you know what I mean? So, me I reach my goals and I want to make I happy. So I want to make you happy too, you know what I mean? Because it's my life, you know what I mean?
Your mouth sounds very sweet.
Oh, that's reality.
Let's see.
We don't really talk sweetness, you know. But we talk reality of life, you know. And what can be and what, you know, should be. That's it. Some of them get a name though, I talk, I'm not ask you, I mean.
Eh?
What's your name?
Deja.
Deja. You want the boo now. That's what you want, the boo. Yeah, man, but there in our street, full of vibes, and I see you from time to time, and I just start them. You know, so I see you come this time, and I know listen from Serbia and talk to you. But I have to go back on the road again because some people are work for me. I'm a business person, in the business with money. Anything I have to do is making some money the right way, and that's what I'm right now. So some money I deal with, so I have to cut the money business contact here. That means you're more important more than the money for now. You know what I mean? So,
Okay.
put a number on the phone. In the car. Number on the phone. You go happy. You not regret it. If you regret it, you not regret it, I say. You put it in the phone, you go like this. Let me see, you know. You see the future. Guys, a good person. You know?
Yes.
You know nobody, but you have to answer that. You're single. Alright, this is good. I go up on the road. Here?
Alright, wait till you come
That's
back.
the one say that I see you come back.
You can't wait till you
Go
come
talk,
back.
go talk. Here?
Alright. You're leaving us soon.
No, just buy the car one time.
Alright.
Yeah, Mrs. Yeah, you are a person of your word, you know. When you say you're rich, you know, me think I just joke, yeah, joke, you know, cause a lot of people say things, but they don't really mean what them say. But, I like you tell. Okay, well, me never really drive it, you know, but if me get a car, me think I could drive still. What's that important? Yeah, man, anything else, man. We don't have to talk over the phone about that. Yeah, man, I can do everything and make everything look like me I run the thing and everything. Yes. Why would I lie to you though? Let me tell you something, I'm single for real, man. Yeah. Oh, I don't want to look a place and now I start with some different things, bro. I have some look a family issue I deal with, so me over my sister. Yeah, man. But I'll call you later though. I'm gonna call you later. Tomorrow I come on the road. I come look for you. Yes, I know, well, if you say I want to change the environment, you give me money, me buy it, because when them see them go things that you have money really, they me buy it. No worry about that, man. Me do it, man. Alright. Yeah, alright. Yo. Look like you have a phone in your hand, man. What go on? What go on, Jota? Yeah, link me when my sister here, so. Yeah, man, right now, man. Because I want to touch back the road still. Yeah, man, right now.
On fire.
Yeah, man, there, man.
Chacha, them speed it.
Yeah, I give you an see. Yeah, man.
It's a guy machine this.
Yeah, man, mama does buy it. Yeah, man, so you have to go and
No,
drive.
man.
Yeah, man.
Yo.
Yo, man, enjoy some flavor things.
Bingo, your car this in a man.
Yeah, man.
Chacha, we can rethink
Yeah, man.
favorite. Chacha, yo.
US that, you know, so you know where you go.
We must have all it for money this month, so all it more things that they don't.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
I
pipeline.
have a rough day today because all of the people them come down. My sister pick me them come.
Okay, so
Yeah,
you
man.
have
So
to
hear
make
them are
sure.
being nice, man.
Brother, bingo, you bingo, you know, man.
Yeah, man,
So I
but-
don't know if you give it back some man
No,
to
man,
the
so-
community, daddy.
Literally, so I have a car now.
Yeah.
Put down for night and can go buy them ice cream and stuff.
Yeah,
You see? No, but no, different from that. We talk to you about some things, you know, because
Yeah,
you want
it's
to.
just a start.
Yeah.
But me will settle, man.
Yeah,
Be
man.
easy,
So the lady have some transaction. To deal with. So I tell you, I have a soldier. I have to tell them how. So I'm going to give the product, them, you drop it, you pick up
Deal
money,
with it.
so
Oh,
you deal
business.
with business.
So
So,
not talk
so
about-
you go in and make some food straight
Cool,
through.
man. Just keep the
So you go
pipeline
cut
running.
some, you collect it from some people, so you know people style up on the road, and something know what go on. Alright?
Yeah.
So, do it, man.
Keep it flowing,
Yeah,
man. Chacha.
Know yourself.
Yeah, see me I drive
Don't
something.
take out to make everybody see it, you know.
You say, yeah, because
Yeah,
see me I
man.
drive something. How much money this?
You go,
That's
you
that.
Are you a
Hold
son?
on, man. Yeah, man.
Alright.
I love how my brother are growing in this life.
She says, so I get you, take time and eat. You talk and they, no. Me I hear you. You talk about me love, how me brand, me grow and get. And me, showing that car there. And me and him save money together, to get that car there. The two are we. I'm going to the car in a fee name, but need money in it too.
Okay.
Even if you didn't have no idea in our head saying no buy no car.
No. Well,
Let
me
me tell you,
love.
your brother smart enough, but not everything is smart enough. And he love have money to spend. Whereas when you come and took it, a matter of fact that they good car, they first you see me in such a good car. I'll be a whole car in always like. Yeah. You know, say car look good. Engine and everything alright and it turn up. You know, see a boss the boy around if a girl if I look on me man. Him not do that man. You know, say I'm in love you. In love you, you know? For bring you to my house. And can't bring any girl in my yard. I'm not do that to you, man. Hey. This time on. I'm not sure your brother, you come take up your brother, you know, because anything your brother do, you know, you know, feel so you that tell me, you know. No, right is right and wrong is wrong. So you not talk to you about the car. You tell me say you want a car, yes, because you're tired of food. So when you want a car. When you think about the car, you look good or you not taste bad? Bossy, it crisps you free, me love it. I mean, love how we not go up in a life. And look here. Full of ambition. I love it. And me Tuesday, I know him. I want full to eat that carry when they buy with 3 wheel, but he will buy rim. He will buy rim and he will buy wheel. You know, tire. He see the man, you know, a Mandeville living go. You go a Mandeville. Go in a one man yard where you get some information about car. See one car with 3 wheel and they tell him man go take give half price. You know you love one thing so. And we go get rim and tire to put back. They said no, nobody with that, so we go straight in on the car mat and him buy one good. Yeah man, straight up to the money I got paid for fix it.
Yeah man.
What my bro, I'm proud of you man.
I'm not good though.
Yeah man. I'm good. You know see me a face.
Yeah, face. So we have to be able.
You know, so I don't understand your sister. I don't understand it. You know, so she cook and they tell me, so I don't get until you come. I don't understand that, you know. Stop telling lie from me. So what you eat and me not eat? Number one, brother, tell her what me like. In this house, worst you come live here, you're not a guest. If you're shy, you stop. Me tell you exactly, tell you some food ready.
I saw where mother to it and father. Yeah man, but look enough, you can get up the stove. You have to creep on your own food and what you do. You know what I mean?
This, if somebody come here and then cook a fish road food, give everybody.
But anyway, what not do you now? Because I don't want to go on the road now, because one of the things I go on the road now, when we get just a something with us to go eat some ice cream or juice.
Make sure you eat our food. So you got one ice cream.
Why do you fill up your belly?
No man, you see in this life, you don't know what come. Eat the dessert first. We can cover this up. Me a come, brother. Me a come.
So we are
come get the ice cream. Me a come. Go on. Me a talk to my man. And your brother member. I must see family around. Brother. You me go, brother. Say to your woman. Your sister they confused. You find your gun and be a foolishness me after. You me a call them, my brother and my man. You're sorry about that. Because more people go chat about me and family.
So where the fun here?
Listen to me. Your sister can't nyam. She can't eat. She can't nyam.
No, man,
she take out one plate already out of pot, you know, and give me nothing, and say, me must wait till you
don't worry about that, man. About money we give you. About money we give you. You can't have money around with money, you know.
No, me put it down in a room because me no want you run out and then you can't tell boy you have no money, then me no have none. Me have to save it. We can't waste money like that. That's saving time, you know.
Hello. Stop talking about savings, man.
Our coffee. Why not this
time now, man.
Eh?
There's a time to save and a time to spend.
Rocky Judge. I'm on WhatsApp. Hey.
What's up?
Me backside, where you get so much money from? No, where you get? Me no want him. No want him, but me nobody want him. No, give me for two, but nobody want him.
Me find a bag of money.
But me afraid to take it.
Don't tell nobody, you know, me find a bag of money. What is
so like a thief.
Buy some.
If you want. You give me money and you tell me if you not tell nobody. You know me man, where you get it from?
No, me say me find the money. Listen.
You find me?
Yeah. But me not be a fool and carrying back everything.
You go carrying some?
Why couldn't you watch it look up in the TV? Why wouldn't I watch me people show?
Yeah. So
every minute I look up in the I watch on the TV. What?
Oh, time you watch the little picnic them
watch the
one. You want to watch out of that show?
No, go and watch it with the children.
Remember, say me did fool when you find me, you know. And you was the sensible one and you tell me, say, what your eyes see and your brain. Remember the two of them work together, so your brain will tell you to do what your eyes see. So me feel learn to have eye control, mind control. Where you want me to go watch prawn?
No, alright, you know, come get ready, come have to go on the road. Come and wash off the same.
Alright, I'm here, sweet too.
Yeah. So what one? You good though?
Mm-hmm.
That's the greatest thing, man.
My sister, alright, man.
Yeah, man. But me have a little good news and a little bad news and a little good news and a little bad news. Me have some things to do, right? So, how was the man tell us say? We go fly out. Yeah. Right? And thing. And if you carry the car, go deal, go. My sister in that look. I come and eat. You know what to do to this. Different.
She just lie down a little bit.
Yeah, man. That's
Look
how
at her
it
phone.
so me and say though, I have to move like urgent, right? So, just one whole long place, man. Me interest like some money reach to you, we send money go to my sister, you get it, alright? Yeah, man. So, not too left out of the yard. Just billing, eat the food and all of that, alright? Yeah, man. So you're good though differently. So me have to push on now, alright?
Yeah.
Don't let you carry one place. You can't drive, you don't know license. Alright?
Alright.
Hello?
What's up?
Hold on, me not know Mike. Hello?
Hello, what's up, babe? What you doing?
Yo, where are you?
Yeah, I'm on my way. You outside already?
Yeah, how long before you reach here, so because me the out here, so like it's been a while. You call me and you say you almost at my gate and I've been standing out here over 10 minutes.
No, me I come, but you know, so when me I come, it take long to come, but me I come though, yeah?
Alright, just be here as soon as possible, please.
Yeah, man, me I come, man. Me just take long to come. I can see you now, though.
Okay. Alright.
Sit here, on.
Oh.
So it's not something special for you. So this gonna be our place, you know? Cause too much time. Yeah.
How nice.
Yeah.
This is nice.
And we have this here. We can put that in your account and thing.
Thank you.
There's a good thing going on here this time, you know? It's here expensive. So we put in the work for interest. Yeah, alright. Great.
Listen, babe, I appreciate you.
Yeah, man,
Thank
that's
you.
good, man. So what part thing there for do? So you alright though? You happy? You like the
Yeah.
place?
Yeah, it's alright. It's nice.
Yeah, man.
I guess me just have to get myself familiarized, right?
Yeah, I get myself used to the place, man. You know? So I look at bridge and you see the Avita still the time I say, alright. That'd be a good look of vibes. You know?
Oh, so you just bought it?
Yeah, man. So the man have some local paperwork to go through. Yeah, so me give him the portion of the money already. You know, 'cause you know when you buy them place and just bam. You understand?
Yeah, and the furnitures in here, they look new, like
Yeah, man.
and I can smell the aroma and say, yeah.
Yeah, freshly placed, man.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So it's a good vibration. So you're good though.
You know, them always say every single relationship starts sweet, and me just hope say you just be this nice.
This
Right,
relationship go get sweeter than how it's sweet now. You know what I mean? Cause the money just a come in. You understand? We have a link now where we are do some things. You know, everything now 100%. You
If
give
you
me
say
the best,
so.
I give you the best. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, brother, when for the youth, I say if I soon come there.
Okay.
Make yourself and walk. Yeah, you're forward. What going now?
How amazing.
What's up, baby?
Hey, what's up?
How you doing?
You know I'm good.
Somebody just called me a while ago if I drop off something on one place and come back.
Where are you going to?
That's round the road. I want to go transaction to be with. Make some money. You know that at the order to be.
Okay.
So you good though?
Yeah, me just there things some want for you know, me kinda want change up in here a little bit in our room. And I think I want to make some changes to the guest room as well, because the TV I don't want, like I want to change it from there, probably put it in the middle here, or I don't know. I was looking though at there's this person in Montego Bay that does interior designing. Yeah, but I heard that she's from down this side, so I'm trying to get in contact with her to, you know, invite her here and see how best.
Alright, so make the person come, look on the place and
I mean, it's nice
set
and
a
everything,
price.
but I think I want something more classy.
I get it as is. So if you want change, something when I change, it make you happy. Because when you're happy, you know, you go on with some things. I mean, notice when you're sad, you're there on a different vibes.
Am I ever sad though?
Not really, but you have some time when you're happier more. You understand? When you're happy more, it's like river come down. Everything are going. So I want you happy. So if you want, just do what you do. I soon come back. I go make some money. Yeah?
Okay.
But I feel like no one left in a but I've got to try and make that money.
Alright, baby, be careful. You want to bring a key just in case?
No.
Okay.
If you carry the key, you can go some. No, can till I come back. I'm not that long though. Yeah?
Okay. Alright, so yeah, the TV here. Alright, you know what? Let me call. Let me see if I can call to see if they did get to assign the person. Ugh.
Hello, good evening. Oh, hello? Hold on, let me just move position. I can't hear you, the signal. You can hear me now? Is that better? Yes, this is Charmaine speaking. A whole flat, okay. So you want the whole place redone? Whereabouts are you? Oh, that's just around the corner. I can come now, I can come now and look at the place if that's alright with you. Alright, what number apartment? Me know the place, man. What number you there? Alright. Give me about half an hour. Yeah, I'll phone you when I reach. Alright. That good to live too good, girl.
Oh, you been like that?
You can say so. You know the scheme that was building over around the corner, man. When we did show you the scheme that I built up. We just get a phone call from one of the tenants. Them want come do interior design in the place. She just moved in. So me I go do it now.
Okay. So what time I come back?
Me don't know, cause it's only the consultation. It's not the work. Yeah, man, no problem.
Right.
No problem. Would I take you and think I mean not see one know the area, but it's just a chatting
Let's
part.
say I'm again.
Just
scheme when we go to supermarket and show.
The one round by the taxi stand. No, the new scheme, some of the house them finished already and some still a below.
Yeah, me know it, yeah.
One of the new tenants just phoned me and put me someone to quotes.
Wow, that's
So
nice.
we just said to listen not now gone for this long while.
That is good, yeah?
God good to him too good.
Okay.
So-
So what time you come back? You have to stay long?
No man, it shouldn't because it's just a consult and it's then the place they're not too big, so it shouldn't take too long.
So you know the person I call her?
So that's why we tell you say it's apartment 5. So you know exactly where
the
we're there.
person tell her where for
So when we reach number
Apartment
5, and you know the scheme.
Yeah, I know the scheme and I know where you're at. Remember I said me I go to supermarket, they show me around the place and something when they just move from
Aye. I remember said this will start from 1A, 1B, and so on. So 5 is, it should be easy to 5.
Alright then, so you don't want to come with them?
It's going to be boring, baby. It's going to be boring. All we're going to do is chat and chat fast.
Follow you, don't want me follow you?
No, man, no, see, it's tired because you go for your run earlier this morning and then you clean up and everything. You know, most tired.
Alright then, go on and come back.
Alright, we'll phone you when I come back here. Alright, little bit. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon. I am outside. Is that apartment 5?
Oh yes. This is the interior designer lady.
Yes.
Okay, all right. I'm coming right out.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello.
Hi.
Good evening. I'm Charmaine.
Oh, hi, Charmaine.
Hi.
You can come inside.
Oh, this is a nice space.
Yeah, thank you.
You got a nice place.
Thank you.
I can sit down?
Yeah, sure. Sit.
Alright. So what do you have in mind? You said some things on the phone. I've got your details here, but talk me through what you want.
Okay, so alright, so basically I need something much more classier than this. I will stay with the color because the color I love the color. It's just that I kind of need some things on the wall, maybe some writing on the wall, some little kitchen, some little kitchen quotes and stuff like that. Yeah. I need something I need it to look and feel homely. Yes. So that's basically what I want. The television, I was thinking about putting it here. So whatever you're inside, I just want to switch it up a bit. Yeah, but I would change the color.
Okay. Well, there's plenty to work with. And you're right with the TV because the TV, this is kind of blocking out the light.
Yeah.
You want a lot more light coming in. So we can move the TV there and we can get those. Are you into those homely arts with the grandmothers and the grandchildren writing and the prayers and the Lord's Prayer? Yes, man, no problem. And I can see you're into flowers.
I am, yeah.
I've got some brilliant ideas. I got some good ideas. I can show you these are some of the ones that I was thinking of and having a look that we spoke on the phone.
This is nice.
Okay.
This is nice.
Yes, I know what I can do. And the King Charles chandelier.
Thank you.
It's classy, but it's not too big and overwhelming.
And loud,
right.
Yes.
It says class, but it still leave you plenty space. Man, I can do a lot here.
Yeah, and here I would want something on the wall. Maybe what you call those? Oh, Jesus.
Like murals?
Yes. On the wall here, and I need a station for the African, the African music thing, what they call those, the Mercus or something like that. I need a station specifically in the house for it.
Okay.
Yeah, and I need something with African prints, a collage.
Very popular.
Yeah, I need a collage with an African print. I know it's popular, but I just love I love nature really, and I'm big on Africans. Yeah.
Okay, yes, man, we can more than incorporate it. And I take it that is the bedroom.
Yeah, this is a bedroom here, and this one is also a bedroom over here. I want to change this as well, and I want to change this and put something different. I don't know, but I want to maybe some glass or something. I don't know.
Yes, or even the hang down droplets, because it'll make it more open but still privatized. No?
Well, let's see. I need it to be blocked off. So just when you enter, you can't see. Yeah.
Yes.
I definitely need it to be private.
Okay, maybe frosted glass might work better then.
Right.
Yes, frosted glass if you want it private. Yes, I like the space. We can work with this. I've got some beautiful ideas. I've got some good ideas already.
Okay.
And the African print would look good, especially, if we move the television over to that side, it kind of leaves that side, so you can even have the African print on both sides, the television in the middle.
Yeah, it could work that way.
Yes, there's plenty to work with. And we've discussed the price already. So.
Yeah.
Yes, I could work with this. When do you want to start?
All right, so maybe at the end of the month, I'm gonna let my spouse know what's up, and I'll definitely let you know. But or maybe in another 2 weeks.
Okay.
Yeah, so well, he's definitely up for it because he's not here now. But before he left, he said, "Okay, do whatever." So
that's a good spouse. That's a very good spouse.
Yeah, so
we like
I'll
those.
definitely, I'll probably be ready in another 2 weeks or so.
Okay, okay. Well, I will line up. I will go. I know exactly where to go and get the chandelier. So I'll line up.
Let me show you something here as well.
Okay.
Babe, I'm home, babe.
Oh, babe, you're here. Brother.
Oh, one sister. I can explain, man.
Brother? I think say you're not even under. I'm sorry. I think say
Yeah,
you.
man, I'm big sister. The small world, man. Don't worry about that, man.
This.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is my spouse.
Yeah, man.
Yo.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, he's my man.
Yeah, man. Meet your sister-in-law.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I just it surprised me. I didn't.
Yeah, man.
A
A long time I no see you come from when I try reach out to you and can't get to you, but I mean want you meet her, but just say you.
Yeah.
But fine, it's not too late though. It's same thing work
Welcome
out.
home, baby.
You alright?
Yeah, I'm good. I was just about to.
Well, the two one in a good hands. You know, and
She's
the
a
baby
interior
and
designing lady. You
Yes.
never told me that your sister.
yes, I it slipped my mind because I can't you retire, you know, because you have done
It's a
so many
small
places.
world.
Yeah, man, very small world.
Okay.
Mm.
So whose place is this? Is this your place or your place or you?
Well, he basically bought it for me.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
It's her place. It's her.
So it's
Okay.
mine.
Yeah.
Oh, congratulations.
Yeah,
Yeah.
man.
And look how God work.
Yeah, in
God send you
mysterious
to-
ways. Yeah,
Mm-hmm. Choose you to choose my company.
Yeah. So they circulate. Yeah, man.
Wow, I'll sweat in. Well, I've got the details I need. I've got everything I need.
Yeah,
I will
man.
give you a ring by the end of the week.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
You take care.
All right, yeah.
I'm sure we'll see plenty of each
Yeah,
other.
man.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
All right, brother.
Yeah, man.
We'll
So
talk.
you want to look at thing here? Can you, if you can't, yeah, man.
Thank you.
Yeah,
And
man.
that don't count as a down payment.
You know, it's still yourself, man.
Business separate.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, my your sister, you know.
Take care. It's
Yes,
nice
all right,
meeting you.
okay.
You'll hear from me.
And you have my number. We'll definitely.
Definitely.
talk.
Only can talk about more than business. Me no business.
Take
Alright.
care.
Yeah, you be
Bye-bye.
good now.
Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Babe,
Yeah.
you never even told me you had a sister.
Yeah, so my time we used to do a half sister. Half. Mama say no.
Half, quarter, whole, it doesn't
Yes,
matter.
yes, but you what? We're not even in a half of the relationship yet. There's a lot
What?
of things more to know. We will know. There's a lot of things you don't tell me yet, you know. So I don't tell you everything yet. As we go along, because I don't want a short relationship, you know.
Really, babe?
It's a long one.
I've known you long enough for you to tell me about
but
your
I should have told you, but she like the bastard of the family. You know what I mean? So still, we don't really. But yeah, I'm a sister still.
It's your sister.
Yes.
Don't
So.
ever talk like that again.
No, but what I'm saying at the family though. They say she had jacket. So me I don't know reason do not have. And it's
But
okay.
you both.
No, but everybody can have locks and everybody have locks. Me and them related. No, but me and I don't look alike and I said mother and said father. So but it's a long story. So we now go down that road there. But I'm a sister. So
Sheesh.
So you want to work out the thing.
What did you do on the road?
Well, we drop off a package, so by later I'm going to pick up a piece of money. So you can sell it to somebody. You know what I mean? So
Okay.
but so it's good still. Cause I mean the person work, I so come here some money, you see it, so you can deal with it. So what my sister saying, you can't do the work and things.
Yeah, and I told her that within another 2 weeks we will be ready and
Yeah man, so the money go come in. So no, but or she not tell no price at though.
yeah, she did.
Oh. But
She
a
told me
reasonable
what-
price.
Yeah, it's alright, and she showed me some beautiful designs. So I really planning on working with her.
Yeah man, you can't work man. So if you can't work, you go work. You understand?
Okay. Alright, are you hungry?
No.
Whatever.
But we have something more to do in our room with it though.
What?
Hmm?
What?
come when I show you what I want to do. I can't tell you. I gotta show you. I've been thinking about it all.
Oh, stop!
I don't think the show.
I can't believe. I have to go send him a voice note. She's not there. Can't believe what you do. Brother, what you really depend? Eh? All this time, you have everybody thinking say you're out to the country. For real? You ever think say you're out to the country? Look, anything could have happened to you. And you move with the next woman? Eh? I have we there sit down like Robert damn idiot think say you there foreign and make life? Eh? And leave me with your woman, yes sir? Remember say she only there because of you, you know? Don't do that, man. I don't like it. So make sure when you get this message, you know, you link me back straight away. Because I'm going to keep your secret for you, but not for long. And don't think so that little money can pay me off neither. Eh? What you have to do is wrong, man. You have Cindy here, I hold it down for you. And I hold it strong for you, and I'll try to make life. And I try our best. Eh? While you were there all this time with next woman? Serious? And you're there down the road in Jamaica with next woman? Fix it, brother. Fix it and fix it soon. Come and now cover you for long. That wrong, brother. That wrong. No, man, I don't like it. Hey, you good?
Yeah.
I come back and get the work. I get the work. Yeah, man.
Okay.
So I'm gonna do up the apartment and make it homely for her. Yeah, man.
So you're not finished?
Me finish the appointment. Me see her, know what she wants and the kind of style she wants. Because she wants it classy but homely. So me know when me I go get the material and things and sort her out, man.
Okay.
Yeah, man. I go fix it up good.
You know, so tell me what to say. Tell her in my room. Tell her in the like in the hot someone take a walk out the road and come back.
Alright, so you have to get for full
I
load
know the hot
here.
and me and sweat. Just want no certain place, you know? Need to take a walk. So let's come back here.
Alright, no problem. Walk good. Maybe take your phone, so if anything phone me.
Yeah, me have it on my side. I always have my phone, man.
Alright, anything you phone me.
Alright.
That was the little one I did that thing fast, so I'm so come here.
Alright, man. Now you be good and be careful on the road, alright?
I wish me never go no way.
Come in, babe. You left your key? Hi.
Hi, good day.
Good day. How are you? How can I help you?
I'm Cindy.
You are?
Cindy.
Hi. How can I help you?
I just need to talk to you for a bit because
Okay.
I have something very important to talk to you about.
What
I
is
heard
that?
you've been on the heard that you give out work to you know, like put up nice stuff in the place, and I do that kind of
Oh, yeah, but I already got somebody. I got
Anyway,
somebody earlier today.
I came down by you to talk to you about two things, about the job and is there a person living here that they call Fire?
Fire?
Yeah.
No.
Rasta guy.
Why? All these questions?
I need to talk to him.
Oh, but he's not here now. Who is he to you?
Oh, he's just my cousin.
Oh.
And you look like a nice person. Can I get some water to drink? Can I come inside?
You said it, well.
I'm not a killer. You can let me inside. You can just.
Alright, you can come in. You said you're
his cousin. I need to speak to him. And you say you don't have any job, right? You already get somebody.
Yeah, I already got somebody to do the interior decorating. You can have a seat.
You have a nice place, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Can I sit down?
Sure.
So what's your name again?
My name is Deja. Let me get you the water.
It's okay. Don't worry. It's like I don't need any water again. It's okay.
Are you okay?
Yeah, because I don't want you to think that I'm bothering you too much.
No, you're not.
I wanted to say juice, but it's okay. No problem. Fine. I'll just wait until I go home back. Anyway, you know what time is coming up?
I can't say, to be honest. What's your name?
My name is Cindy.
Oh, Cindy.
And your name is Deja?
Yeah.
Yeah, you have a nice name. And who are you to fire us?
You said fire us?
Yes, his name is Fire. But because he's a Rasta, that's what the family call him. Fire us. But we can just say Fire. We just shorten it, huh?
He's my spouse.
Your spouse? Okay.
Yeah, so I am basically his fiance. Yeah.
Oh, you're gonna get married soon?
Yeah, we're getting married.
I don't understand why you didn't tell the family about this wedding, and because we don't get any invitation or nothing.
Well, it's nothing planned yet. Like, we are just taking it step by step. Yeah, we basically just got this place, and I'm trying to renovate it a bit.
So how long since you and him together?
I prefer if he tell you this.
No. It's been a while I haven't seen him. Yeah. The last time I saw him, he told me that he was going to some foreign place.
Oh,
yes.
Okay. That's what he said?
So maybe he go and come back and the family don't know. But I would really, really, really love to see him before I leave.
Well, he should be back in a short time.
You look like you find a nice girl though. You're looking very nice.
We basically just buy the property. Well, my spouse, he bought the property for me.
Oh, he bought a property for it?
Okay.
Yeah, baby. Yeah. Welcome, babe.
Yeah, what's going on?
Oh, okay, and
Yeah, get sure with the money is I'm gonna collect.
Say again, babe?
I get the money, and I went to pick up.
Hi, cuz.
What's up? Come here, cuz.
I'm gonna see you.
Come here, talk to cuz. Yeah, my dad, you see my sister and my sister tell us something to tell her?
No, man, somebody me ask question and you get some info, say a year, say you live, you know? But
yeah, man.
You get it overseas. Last
yeah,
time
yeah,
you say
yeah.
You say I go overseas.
Yeah, man. Something go down. Come here, talk. Come here, talk. Come here, talk. Come here, talk.
Hey, excuse me.
Mr. Come here. Give me a minute, babe.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, man. So I just that go on. You understand? So when me are there now, I ensure say everything good. We are try for a long time, then people will I think a country.
I don't want to talk to you right here, so I want to talk to you right here. I'm gonna know which girl that you're in a
yeah.
house with go rich.
Can I
girl.
say
Stand up
rich?
your son, no move.
Listen.
I mean, not even want the woman here say you are my man. Stand up your son.
But you may say, no, man, you may say, don't you want us to live in the real life? Separation now work out for we, you know? We tried that already, you know?
Sophia, you really left me up at your sister yard
Because I don't want to tell her, because I don't
and
say jealous.
come and want rich woman yard. So to me not have money like she.
No.
After me you work so hard.
No, listen, we work too hard for not the money. Didn't we work hard? We know
Look
how
how far me here
but
come
we
from.
don't, listen.
Look when people struggle them.
We are
still,
go-
you
no,
know, if
listen,
you ever
money.
make me make no nice on you, better you just listen to me and give me time to
Ah,
talk. Because
that.
you see you know, me and you are come from far.
From far.
We don't have nothing.
Yes. And we still have
understand?
nothing.
No, but at least me satisfied
No,
what we can work for
we
achieve more.
don't. No, it not work. It's not working.
So you left me in a house with
No,
your sister and come live with woman
No,
and chat about a
me
foreign
not
guy?
live. Me not live. I don't live there.
Then look how much money you gone.
Listen up. But me I show you say, this year 6 months yeah. Go set if you over 60 years. This is wealth. Listen, you all say you want to start one business, you know. You all say you want to start one business. When me give you money, no. Because I want hide way, you know. She go me there search me, you know. Anytime I get a piece of money, you know. I hide way. And you go be the one front up on the business. So we must never broke again. And then the picnic come after that, must never broke again. It's generation wealth.
You know how much money you gone? And you never send a dime come give me
Because-
now your sister.
we can't send it
and
yet.
you say you
I
live
cannot-
with rich
No,
woman.
no. Listen up.
You feel say me an idiot?
You think I chum chase man send come here? If me try send the money come give them black eh? Because
So
I
you
want the money.
leave me for your sister for
No,
your
no,
sister
no,
take
no,
care
no,
of me and you don't want me go look no work.
No, listen. Calm down, man.
And live with woman in a
Calm
house.
down, calm
Buy
down.
all house, the woman and I tell me say woman
No,
rich.
I know me buy no house. You know.
And you buy the
no.
go-
Where me get money from my house? I the woman money.
This is coming
No,
from
no.
the horse's mouth.
Yes.
The woman tell me point blank say,
Come-
"Are you,
No,
my
listen.
fiance, you
No,
all
no,
engaged."
No, engaged. Listen, you're not listening to the game. You know.
No man, you're
And she
engaged.
have the money. And she have the money. But listen now.
Why are
A
you
woman.
engaged?
No, me not. Look at. What me engaged?
No man, me no idiot.
Look for me
This
hand.
is
what
your
me-
sham.
No,
no,
no.
you're engaged.
Ah, me know say
you buy house, the
Me not check
woman.
it. Me know say I come today.
Bro,
Me know say I come today. Me ask you. Me know say I come today.
you can't know say me a come.
Yeah,
'Cause
so
you-
why- so
you
why-
have in my head already said you're there foreign. You don't
Yes.
plant in my brain say you're there
But
foreign.
if I was engaged, I would have on a ring.
So if me never hear one kind of conversation from
no,
a phone call,
me never want you
me
hear. I never want
know
you
say
hear.
you there
Me
Jamaica.
just- Listen up. I want yes, a rich say now. Me know and I hear me want you. You see the same thing? We will not have this conversation now. Because I mention it to you what you say. It may tell us.
It better you tell me.
But what you say though?
It better you tell
But
me.
what would you say?
You and me don't know what mother said because
no,
you
me
did not
think
say
you
it
would
to
have
me.
left me. You would have left me. So me I
You
tell
don't know what mother said to
no,
you.
me feel say that left me. So that I'm my thinking.
So you so comfortable. No.
So no, so me have to come out and come get it, guys. So me get it. We know so we go live without time.
And friend, you gone how much money now? Soon
I'm
I
go-
hear you never send a dollar come to
No,
your
you
sister nor me.
know catch a year.
You know catch a year, me say soon a year. Don't get it twisted, me I no idiot.
But you wanna know? The money just arrive up now. Everything just arrive up now.
So when you don't get so do you mean for so long you gone how much month? More than 3-4 months gone and you tell me
Yeah,
say
but-
money just arrive up and a rich woman there
no,
with.
you know, there's an insurance. You want to understand what
Don't touch me.
There's an insurance money we are coming through. Big old work of money go job. So, yeah man, so see it here. This is what do some chum change some collect. This is a chum change, let me see. This is about 5,000 US. 5,000 US in Jamaica close to me. And a baby money them to it. She a come down for it. One of their country and we are planting yam, cocoa, dashing and we got market. We barely make $5,000. I will sit down out there with you and I say, yo, 50 laugh you on them, 10 I done them. We tell them life there. Give them thieves and them broke my spirit.
So fire. I eat
Them
to
bro-
take me for.
no, we
Left
want-
me in a house with your sister
I cannot
and go
tell
live with
you-
one woman, say woman, a rich woman.
I forget the
And
money.
you don't even remember, not even one phone call.
Me call you. Me and you talk already. Me and you talk.
Me no chat.
Me and you talk.
Me no call that talk. Me
But-
no
yeah,
talk. Me no talk.
alright.
No talk.
So
One
you-
little time
So
where
you
you say,
realize why?
no man, he come like you let him go
Because
out of service. Not even
I
1 minute.
chop
You
one
just say,
choppy line. So with my choppy line, we want focus. More in a game, so. More in a game. So when we come out of the game, rich, we not broke again. Listen now.
so it's a woman money you want to take and come give me if you
Yes, if I that we have to do with that.
you
we
know
have to.
better me and you work for what you
We
want.
nah
You
go.
want take somebody
It
else
nah
money.
go work. We tried that already. How much years? You said it a while ago. You know. We are. Oh, how much year we are work for it? how much here we are work for already. You know why me do this? Ask me why me do
You
it.
see you now?
Ask me why I do it now.
Me
Me
follow
check
you.
It. I check it. Listen now. I check it. The rich people, them, majority of them start from somewhere bad to get
This
good.
a carry me down and stuff you do?
No. The minute when you come know this, you know. Me just the one, just
Take
do
me from
it.
country and carry me
No,
come down
I
and stuff.
carry you down
To
here.
come style me.
No.
Eh? With woman
Me
where you
no-
say a rich woman.
But put you in a better place now. We put you there better down up a country.
Me no want to rely upon your sister no
No,
more.
don't worry about that.
Me
You
no
see-
want to steal no more.
You see the money.
Alright, here I know. You
Mm.
alright.
Mm.
You say a money you come
Money
to
me come
to make
for.
your life better.
Yeah.
This is what me I say
Mm.
now. You see me?
Mm.
Me I go left from your sister yard
Mm.
and you go steal your rich woman yard.
Where you go?
Simple.
No. listen.
Normal free.
Yeah, man. No,
No
man.
man. Simple thing that.
No.
So-
I don't say that work out. Listen, man.
So Wallanda, if you like how you find a rich woman,
Mm.
you well comfortable and right till you figure out about
Me
me
no-
and where we are come from.
No, man. You know, listen.
You don't know nothing
You
about me.
know-
You
you
live
know-
me gone, but you're gonna foreign. And
But
that
you
you
know,
put in
listen
my
to
brain.
plan. You
I
listen to
foreign this.
No, foreign.
In a Jamaica, you still
See,
there
the
and
foreign
foreign.
money, the foreign money.
Hey man, listen to
man.
me.
Calm down, man. Listen now. Hold off your look a bit, man. Hold off your look a bit. Listen, man.
Don't tell me about a line in the chap.
Mr. Yeah, try mash
A
up it.
close meaning for
I saw
line.
you
No
go.
one hear
What you
nothing
know?
from you.
I saw you go mash everything, I know. Because
Me
that's
not mash up
that's
nothing
why
with
I
you.
never tell you. You know.
Hey, me coulda,
But that's why I'm gonna
listen
tell
to
you.
me.
That's why I'm gonna tell you.
Fire, me
That's
make
why
this
I'm
so
gonna
long
tell
and
you.
you don't know me.
But-
Me coulda analyze the woman little while, you know.
But you know.
But me just loud man talk to her nice and decent, you know,
Alright.
until her say me I'll tell you man lie or me and your
Ah,
cousin.
what you know? No.
Eh?
That's good. What you
Suppose
know?
me to tell you man
No,
say me man.
no tell. Listen, man. You want money?
Me no want, me no want
You know
nothing
what?
from
You don't want the money.
Me want money, but me no want no money from you where you go take from next woman. Me we work for my
No.
money. Or me find
I-
another
I
man.
no,
because you have a woman.
no,
Fear is quick.
No.
Yeah,
Listen, calm
that
down,
means
man.
say me can't find
But
no
me I
man.
work for the money, you know.
Well,
Me working for the money.
What
It's
kind of
not-
work you do for her?
Listen, man.
Having sex with her?
No, not that.
And then you get
No.
paid?
And I said, me not prostitute. Me not prostitute.
You're gigolo. You're not a prostitute.
No, listen, no bigger than that, man. You messing up. Listen, I know Trump change. It's not a Trump change thing you go work out, you know. Big money, me
You know,
I
me
say.
notice it though.
You don't want.
Since election come, you change, you know.
But
You come
everybody-
like money, you know.
But look at everybody, look at everybody.
You understand?
Look
me
at
not
everybody.
talk about everybody, me talk about thing in your life.
Alright.
It's like we don't have a relationship anymore from the day you tell me, oh,
Alright.
you have to left your which way part,
No,
and
so-
then you go
I
find
got-
a lie you
I
tell.
got something, you know. If I and I sick tomorrow morning, you have money to carry a good doctor. If you sick, come on get the money from me, go beg my sister, but me say we have to find a way now.
We went to
We
survive. We
no.
did a survive.
We-
We did a survive.
we-
Things can
alright.
better. So that's how you
You
want
know, no,
it.
most
You
of-
want to take woman money.
Most of you. She take it from somebody. Right? We go take some from she. We not left her broke. She
I
got
don't
some
believe
money.
you. No, you
Yeah,
tell
yeah.
me. I don't believe
Boy,
you.
you
Oh,
mess up.
woman rich and woman this and
Alright,
woman
but
that.
you mess
Woman
up.
tell me say,
Alright.
uno engage,
Give me-
uno soon get married.
Give
You
me-
and you are fiancé.
Give me a next month. Give me a next month. One more month.
Me,
Just one more month.
Miss Cindy. After me and you there so long and struggle and suffer so long in a real life. I know we come down here so to make your life better. And this is way you want it better. So Miss Cindy, me where you say you love and I will tell lies you
I
gonna
love
find,
you.
must give you
That's
one
right,
more
one
month.
more month.
If you stab out a woman
No.
catches and then
No.
come back to me.
We're not doing that. We're
Eh?
not doing that. Not
Come
doing
back
that.
to me.
No, listen now.
Me say if me figure
Rich.
one more month to
Rich.
stab out the woman
One
catches.
more. No, 1 month rich.
One more month
One
to
more
rich.
month for rich.
Then look how much month gone already and still not reach after your left and say a foreign there, you know, reach
Much
a
is that?
foreign
Much is
now.
that? Me can't
Me
get
no
this,
want
sir.
hear nothing from
You want this, sir?
Me no want no money
This
from
is
you.
5,000
Me no
euros.
want it, me no want it.
You know how long I fuck for this?
Don't tell you already.
How long I fuck for this in that country?
You know
We
what?
couldn't save the
Me
country.
nah go back in
coulda
and
never
how long
save-
we have to take to
We're
this
not
and
going
how
on
long to-
all life. We are going on
Listen,
new.
New life,
I'm
this
a-
is
what can-
2025, you find a new woman,
Yeah, but
you need a new man, you know, in a no
I'm
talking
not saying
video.
that, go man. Listen, man. Calm down, no, man. Calm down. We have to find a way to make it work. Right? What kind of business do you want? What kind of business do you want?
Me
Come
want to do
with-
my own business. That means
What
I'm
kind
going
of
to be an
business?
entrepreneur.
All
Me
right.
want to sell
You know-
whatever me want to sell.
All right.
You know when you take no money from no
No,
girl and come give me
man.
no girl fee so they can
No,
sell me.
no.
Me will work for when I want.
No.
Stay there, you rich
No,
woman
no,
yard. You
and
know,
it's-
hey, that's when anytime you ready
Listen.
to left yourself and come back to your sister yard, you now come there and see me.
Hear me
Remember
say.
that.
Hear me say.
Just remember that.
Reality is reality, and life is life. Right?
Take me for
We
idiot.
been
So me to
doing-
sit down at your sister
we are the-
yard
we
while
are the-
you live with another
We
woman.
are doing the
Idiot?
hustling. We doing the hustling
Okay.
from long time.
Yeah, man.
And we barely could hide against me.
yes.
The man them thief
You
crafts them.
remember that?
Them thief crafts them. And when them thief goods them, where they our face. we have to come catch a sister yard. What about we setting a foundation now?
Like you did have a plan long time.
No, man, no.
When you meet this woman?
No, listen, no, man.
And since you come down here, sir?
No, listen now.
Till you tell me that the big
A
lie
piece
there
of
you're
work,
gonna
listen.
foreign fire. Like seriously, me I tell
listen.
so.
A piece of work me go pan.
Lucky so me not
Me
gonna
meet
lie
her.
worrying
Me say
me.
me meet her at one place and I realize the amount of money she have. Tell me, I
Say
tell you.
woman money dry her yard.
Listen now, cause we want the money. We need
I
it.
not even fear yard to woman tell I know I've never fear yard before. You buy the house give her. Now it became fear. She never have it before.
That's the rumor that she's trying to spread that I buy it.
Which rumor?
Because she
You
don't
woman
want-
not tell nobody
she,
else.
she
and me
tell,
alone
no,
she
she tell other people, man. That's what the story be. Because I don't want nobody pray.
much money the woman say
You
I
say
give
more
her
time
and buy
money the
house
woman
and
have.
engage and sitting. So
You-
if you sit down like
You
a
wanna know?
kuno
You
mono.
wanna know? Let me tell you. Listen, the woman
You not come back to your
rich.
sister yard come see me. You could have
Don't
talked
answer
till
that, man.
thy kingdom come. You
Yeah,
not
yeah.
come back to your sister
Later
yard
I contact you. I contact you later.
Later.
Later I contact you.
Say,
Later I contact
you
you.
not come back to your sister yard come see me. You have a
Later.
woman, me need a man.
Alright, cuz. Rita. You know what that cousin they find me and even if I hide from him, I can have money for you for when. What gonna be?
Don't be me. Don't be me.
I want to know what problem now.
Don't be me.
What's wrong?
That was a very
She
long
did say a while ago?
That was a very long conversation.
I'm a long time cousin. I'm a long time hide there.
What do you mean long time cousin?
I'm a cousin.
Is she really your cousin?
Yes, you know, me nice.
You guys don't resemble any at all.
You know, looking at her face.
You don't resemble any
It's
at
my
all.
mother,
Stop.
sister,
Stop.
Whitney.
Shut up.
First cousin. A first cousin.
Fire Ras.
A first cousin.
Fire Ras.
Is my first cousin. The money I'm going to make a while ago, man. Tell the rough.
Oh really no? Me don't eat.
What you get up to talk about though?
She's not your cousin.
What is she?
She's not your cousin.
What is she though?
How is she your cousin?
Me tell you a while ago.
Oh.
So is my mother's sister pick me. First cousin.
Oh, she's your cousin.
Mm-hmm.
You know, my instinct tells me
So, how you
that
find her
she's
though?
no, listen. My instinct tell me
Mm.
says she has been stigmatized by you.
No, we're not saying something. We're not family around.
What do
No.
you mean?
We say we're not family around.
What do you mean?
If men are family, not can go on the way, then I tell her, man.
She's not your family.
Why are you saying she's not my family though?
Your sister came here
You want to ask my sister?
and I met. Oh, hold on.
Do you want to ask my sister?
You don't want me to ask your sister because I'm that type who would pull any slime off any tongue.
Oh, but she gonna come.
Just so you
She
know.
going to do the work here. My sister going to do the work here, right?
I don't want to. You know what? I don't even. Let me tell you. Let me tell you. I'm not even going to be bothering to touch anything in this place. No, it's okay. I don't need it to.
Me
be,
not understand why.
It's fine.
Why you come with the argument?
You
I mean,
know
I tell you
why?
say.
Like
She's my
something
cousin.
seems off, or something seems really off. I mean,
What she
and
said to you, though?
You look so suspicious.
But no, because I'm friend to see her for true. You know, like me and she hide she. Oh, she find us, I don't know. Never piece of money for her, remember my name and get her back for true though.
Wow.
Yeah, some mistake, so many
Oh,
time
really?
back. Yeah, as a family boy, money for family and get them back. You know, so I regular something that. But some family does not forget. So she roll up and
You know, and
me have to tell her
my
say I money this
instinct
because
tells
she
me
me
something
not.
is not right. Something was off.
That was
Because,
off,
I
for
mean,
true,
she
yeah, yes,
asked-
for true.
She asked for some water,
Mm-hmm.
and then
Me don't know how she find
I
here.
was about to give her the water.
You give her water?
And then she said, "Oh, don't bother. I wanted to say, like." I was like, "Are you even okay?"
I don't know how she find her, I tell you.
Listen,
I don't know how that cousin find her. You know, long as I try to search it, I can't find
I
her.
don't listen. I'm going to give you the benefit of the doubt.
No, you believe in me, man.
No,
believe
you
in me.
can't tell me to believe in you.
Anything is alright, look what time you up on the road.
I don't believe.
Oh,
in
you show me one man and say, cause I'm not say, yeah, man. I believe in you because if we don't know relationships, a relationship. So if I say one
And you
thing,
know what? I'm not even going to be arguing with you.
me not, babe. I
But
don't.
this ship
I want
is
thing-
about to be sunken.
No, anything I sing tonight, you know, come ready right now. Get some more, I go about to cook and do some more from go be. I have to be at first. Be at first?
Because you're taking this for a joke, you know.
No, me no want to cuss about somebody.
I said you're taking. Don't touch me.
So we are going so far. I'm going to go up and go hunting
Don't
and
touch
come back
me.
and see her there. You know?
Don't touch me.
Oh, the God. I don't know why you so. Why, if you say for something, if I never good, I would, that'd be problem in that today. I can't understand. Yeah, man, life is great, man. Regardless of the fight of life itself, we can't escape. You know what I mean? So, what they are? Big up all I run of them. You know what I mean? So they all them do it. Yeah, you see it. I wish I could have run. I could have run away from poverty and sufferation in this country that we are, where you have to work 30,000 times harder than anywhere else in the world to survive. But give thanks, we're still alive. You know what I mean? We still survive it. You know what I mean? So we are trying to put the best work that we can from that time to this time. We've still been doing it. You know what I mean? Plenty people link me still want to be a part of the movements, but the time is the master, because you know did they what did they make it work? No did they yet, you know what I mean? But in the meantime we still want at least 2 new females, you know what I mean, to be the next top female actresses, because when I try to create a thing so when the world reach out and say they want 2 Jamaican females to do 2 roles, you know what I mean, at least where we have so much to so we can get ourselves involved in it. We can't take so much of the overlooking, you know what I mean, that has been taking place over time and people think everything's okay. It's not okay, you know, it's not fine. But anyway, we don't talk too long, you know, because we have a lot of things to do. But anyway, big up all of the sponsors that promised to sponsor that we haven't get no sponsor. Well, so it was a long time we don't see our sponsor. Our donation. It has been a while now. Yeah, man. It has been a couple months well. No donation. You know what I mean? And donation is one of the things that keep the thing flowing. You know what I mean? So from what they say, we cut back on the shooting and cut back on all the things. But now, me I revamp back the place. So it will be a good time for some donation now, because me I repaint, me I restructure back the thing now. You know what I mean? So come I have to take a time off and look of where the business is going and what I started for in the first place and why I'm doing this. You know what I mean? So I get a better view. So the next move now is to get better equipment and start shooting better quality, writing, editing, every little thing different across the board. You know what I mean? So come on, go up on a bigger level. You know what I mean? Because unlike so we have 2 lives to live, we only have 1. So we want to do it for the people them in this time. We can't wait too long. You know what I mean? We don't want all and bus. We want bus for now. Yeah, while me young and fresh. You know, so me young and fresh. Yeah, now we want to take on the thing, man. Right now. So, we have to do it. Yeah, man. So, all the thing in the pipeline, all the thing today, you know. So, we go do it. Yeah, man. We're up on the road. We're at the new gas station. I go and hold it off. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. You take where you take and go do what you do. Burn it down to the ground, man. Big up on the self out in the world, man. I want to make it possible, you know. So, anybody want to donate towards a camera? I'm not talking look up your camera them, but a big camera. You know what I mean? But you know, too late for even people say them want to be a part of the development of the Jamaica film industry, because we have none here. You know what I mean? We're not here for talent like when it comes to movie. You know what I mean? So that's why we don't have a bracket right. So we need that right now. So if we can't get the full industry, we don't want to start with the camera for now and start shoot some big movie where probably can express yourself on a bigger level. You know what I mean? We can do it, man. Because we have some story we want to do, you know, like some, we call it, some prime minister story, some big top lawyer story. We have all a story they have to tell. You know what I mean? Where we can't really showcase yet. But anyway, that is for your next time. Look at the lighting bad does. The lighting have a lot to do with movie. Look on the lighting on my face change through different times. So my face does so. Look when you go around to the light. So most of the things them we have, so we don't have the proper equipment them. Look, you see pale out and something there. So lighting have a lot to do with what we do. So equipment have a lot to do with what you do. You know what I mean? We don't have no real equipment yet. So anyway, what about talking? But anyway, we're good though. You know what we are do. So it's just to take it to the next level. Cause we want the thing to reach a big level. Big time. Yeah man. We want to see that right now. As we are work towards. The world wants to see it. You know what I mean? Big up runner there. I'll be running me watch from there. When running done we go back to football or anything else I go on. And some stay and I'm like watch what I go on. Yeah, me I reach them for put on too much to, you know. Like business house, like football, league, like the movie stars them, two team and square off and look a football match. Cause, you know, we're going to do it one at a time then though. Just stay tuned. What thing go on. Jamaica is a good place. Only take away separation and certain things away from here. It's the best place in the world to live, you know what I mean? But with certain things make it more harder. People now get to live them proper life, you know what I mean? So it's a sad story in some case, but good in some. Anyway, let's go.